Superpower the World Group is a high-tech enterprise specializing in professional LiFePO4 battery for home energy storage solutions since 2014, and Xingon LiFePO4 battery pack, BMS, inverters and photovoltaic system. Home energy storage system, from 1 kWh, 5 kWh, 10 kWh, 20 kWh to 215 kWh. Superpower the World Group is a global leading lithium ecological products as famous brand Lenergy, who takes clean energy, low-carbon living, empowering global human new energy and ecological chain products as its corporate purpose. Provides a one-stop cross-border group company for international logistics and warehousing with LFP battery. Our sales office lives in nearby Shenzhen World Exhibition Convention Center, and our factory lives in Guangdong and Hunan, with an area of 11,000 square meters and a pack production capacity of 1 GWh per month. The core team of the company is composed of more than 30 leading technical talents in the lithium battery industry and senior electronics experts. Superpower the World Group, high quality and safe, long cycling life, zero defects products currently exports to over 30 countries and regions, which has passed the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18000 quality, environmental protection, health, and safety management certification. All products are certified by UN 38.3, SIR, FCC, UL, IEC, MSDS and RoHS according to customer demands, and establish a unique corporate culture, becoming one of the strongest team cohesion enterprises in the industry. The company adheres to the business philosophy of doing one thing in a lifetime and is committed to creating new energy battery packs, leading household and business energy storage. Superpower the World concentrates on 4 major application scenarios: 2 will travel battery, portable energy storage, home energy storage, and business energy storage. With the value concept of innovation, quality, service, and sharing, we provide customers with standardized and customized energy system solutions. Superpower the World adheres to customer-centric principle and continuously innovates around customers' demands to provide customers with competitive energy products and trustworthy services. Superpower the World is your best partner, which provide one-stop OEM, ODM portable home business energy storage solutions and DG logistic and warehouse service in the world, especially in 10 kWh LFP battery Powerwall home energy storage and inverters for ERPON, USA, South Africa, and other countries to meet all of customers' demands of home energy storage. Warmly welcome distinguished guests to discuss cooperation. Thank you very much.